It was so hot. I couldn't even eat outside today. But got a lot of filming today. A lot of filming this morning. Just rolling it out. Pumping that content out. Left and right. Can't wait for you guys to see what we've got in store for you for the rest of the year. A lot of fun projects.
Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 6 metallic gold hoops. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new here today, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out those membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. As mentioned earlier, we are going to be discussing the Air Jordan 6 metallic gold hoops today, and this is a really cool women's exclusive. So we're going to start off with the overview, then talk about size and fit on these, followed by how I styled this color. This was just a nice little hint of pink for a nice tonal look. So excited to get to that section. And then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale. These were very, very limited compared to, I think, what a lot of people thought. So definitely stick around to the end to hear about how these are doing on the resale market. All right, let's jump into the overview. This is such a nice subtle color scheme, and I love what's going on with the gold accents. So let's just start with the frontal portion of the shoe, starting with the simple, smooth white leather toe box. Working our way up to this mesh tongue, we've got this hint of just nice powder pink. It's so subtle, it almost blends with the white. It's so close in detail with that coloring scheme. So we've got the Jumpman logo with these rings. For those of you wondering what the shoe was based off of, this was based off of women's jewelry, specifically earrings. So obviously hoop earrings are some of my go-to earrings that I'm always wearing. And this is very presentable in a sense of this is different sized hoops. The only thing is I wish I could actually take these off and actually potentially wear these, which I feel like you could because they're kind of clip-ons. But these do actually detach, so if you're not feeling the gold hoops and, you know, this cute little Jumpman logo in the gold, you can also remove these, and this is detachable up here as well. It's got a little snap-on. One of my favorite parts of the shoe is actually the lace lock. The lace lock also matches those gold hoops and the gold color scheme with that nice pop of white on the Jumpman logo. So let's just take a quick little sneak peek at those details up close. right, so moving on to the side panels of the shoe, we're gonna just wrap our way around here. You'll see that there is some nice white tumbled leather. This is really high quality as well. We've got underlays of that white tumbled leather as well for a very, very tonal look. Wrapping around, we've got that gold embroidered Jumpman logo on the back, which really just pops off of that smooth white leather. Wrapping around to the other side of the shoe, we've got more of that tumbled leather and just hits of that powder pink on the mud guards. Then we've got just a nice hint again of that powder pink at the top here where the Jordan logo is, and a nice simple white insole with a nice subtle powder pink on that pull tab on the back. The shoe is then finished off in that translucent outsole that also has hits of that pink on the Jumpman logo on the bottom of the outsole, finished with some nice light white in between that translucent portion of the outsole. All right, so now let's take a final look at those details. To size and fit. So with the Jordan 6s, again, this was a women's exclusive. So this was in women's sizing. I am a true women's size 9. I stuck true with that. I would recommend also staying true to your size on this one. 9, for those of you wondering what that translates to men, is 7.5. I do have narrow, high arch feet, so that also will maybe vary depending on whether or not you have flat, wider feet. But I would say stick true to size on this one if you have a similar proportion to my foot. All right, so now let's jump into styling. It's so much fun styling these, especially since I feel like I've been picking up a lot of pink pieces to add to my clothing collection, specifically with Supreme. So for the first look, I decided to wear my Cause Supreme box logo tee, and I feel like that pink just really paired quite nicely with this since it is a lighter pink. And I wanted to just wear some nice lightweight cargo pants, and I have the best Jordan pants for that, which are these mesh pants from the Heatwave line. For those of you who don't know, Jordan will be releasing some amazing pieces in this Heatwave collection, which is a woman's exclusive. And those pants are the most amazing pants because they have mesh all over them, allows for some nice perforation, and also just airflow to go through since it's been pretty hot out here in New York.
All the good vibes running through my mind. Positive feeling is on rewind. All the good vibes running through my mind. Baby, I feel it. Don't stop me now, yeah, yeah. Baby, I feel it. Baby, I feel it. Don't stop me now, yeah, yeah. Baby, I feel it.
For the second look, I decided to wear my Emilio Pucci jacket by Supreme, and that has some nice shades of pink in it as well. I think even darker shades of pink go quite nicely with this. I paired it with a simple black tank underneath and some nice, just simple black spandex. This is definitely a shoe that I love wearing with athletic pieces, so even when it gets warmer, I can see myself pulling out some tights and wearing these with them as well.
All the good vibes running through my mind. See it if you're feeling alright. To love it and live it your life. See it if you're feeling alright. See it if you're feeling alright. Just love it and live it your life. Smile like an emoji. Smile like an emoji. No more drama, I'm living high. Oh, don't you you, oh, don't you get my vibe? No more drama, I'm living high. No more drama, I'm living high. I'm taking it easy, I simplify. No more drama, I'm living high.
For the last and final look, I decided to wear my Scottie Pippen jersey. That is compliments of Culture Kings, so thanks so much, Culture Kings, for sending me that Michelin Ness jersey. It is so fire. If you guys are looking for some fire jerseys, be sure to check out my links below for Culture Kings, and also use my code. You'll get some nice toe box protections, so use that code down below when you make any purchases on the Culture Kings website. But Scottie Pippen, as you guys know, I have my theme, Beam Me Up, and that's kind of Scottie's saying, so I was so happy to add that kind of powdery tie-dye jersey to this piece just because I think it's the perfect shoe to wear it with. And then I just paired that with some simple Fear of God black baggier shorts and giving it just, again, another athletic look.
Baby, I feel it. Don't stop me now, yeah, yeah. Baby, I feel it. Baby, I feel it. Don't stop me now, yeah, yeah. Baby, I feel it. All the good vibes running through my mind. See it, feeling alright. To love it and live it your life. See it if you're feeling alright. See it if you're feeling alright. Just love it and live it your life. Smile like an emoji. Smile like an emoji.
So you let me know down below what was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you style these?
Venus stand in front of every one of them rocks, they slinging and be a shield.
Your shield
Yeah.
in the fiercest battle, I'll defend you
I'll defend you.
from all these arrows, and the sword I will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah, let's go. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your.
You may be facing tribulation, but don't let it get you down. What I'm saying may take patience, but you're gonna make it out. I scorched my own 2 feet to pull you to safety. When the fires are burning, burning like crazy, carnage around us, but you won't feel no pain. I will take your place, I will be your shield. I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you
I'll defend you.
from all these arrows, and the sword I will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah, let's go. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield. Let me be your shield, let me be your. Let me be your shield, let me be your shield.
All right, now let's conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the resale market. These went for $190 retail, and they're currently going between $255 and $275. I think that's very reflective of the fact that these were on the more limited size. I don't think a lot of people knew about this drop that was going to happen, so definitely was a great cop to be able to present to all of you. So happy that I was able to get these in an in-store raffle. All right, so that's it for this episode. Thanks so much, everybody, for tuning in. If you're new here today, thanks so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out, and be sure to check out our membership perks. We've got some great membership tiers on there with amazing perks for our members, as well as an amazing merch store. And for those of you who are looking to watch some content tomorrow, be sure to tune in to watch me with Unbreakable Kicks go and try and pick up some white Oreos and just talk some sneaker news. All right, that's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all in the next episode.